was looking for a Christmas gift for my niece, who is a budding artist. I picked up this Funto mini watercolor paint set. You guys, this is one of the most beautiful and thoughtful art kits I've ever seen. The kit comes with this gorgeous walnut mini case and blotter that feels super premium. The mini case has magnets so you can pair the blotter and paints next to each other for ease of use or facing each other to keep things neat. Inside this particular kit, you get 8 vibrant watercolor paints, and there are other kits to choose from that have 15 or 24 colors and a ceramic paint blotter and different bag colors. Included in each kit is a water brush, collapsible water cup, metal clip, and even a watercolor journal, all neatly packed and ready to go. I love that it comes with this crossbody bag too, so she can take it anywhere, whether we're camping and she wants to sketch the campsite or the lake, or just relaxing at home with her pets. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for travel, outdoor sketching, or daily creative moments. The bag has plenty of room to carry additional supplies too. So if you're looking for a high quality, all-in-one watercolor kit for yourself or as a gift for an art lover, the Funto Mini Watercolor Set is a total winner. Practical, elegant, and inspiring. Thanks for watching.